lovelies, you're so welcome to Cassia Naturals, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make DIY hairspray for thinning edges, or if you are having receding hairline. This spray is going to do wonders for you. I've used it for close to 1 year, friends, and I can testify. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So the first product that we're going to use is aloe vera. So if you belong on this channel, like, I love aloe vera very much. So I've been using it for 2 years now. So you can actually purchase aloe vera. Just make sure that it doesn't have any additives like colorants and other chemicals. And you can also use one if you have one at home. If you don't have, be good to your neighbors, they'll be able to give you some aloe vera. So make sure that you rinse it, wash it. You can even leave it in the water to remove the yellow latex. So I did a video on how you can do that to remove the yellow latex. So I'll link that video in the description box below. So that is how our aloe looks like at this point. It's very clean, as you can see. Yes, so we are going to extract the gel using the spoon. So of course, once you are done washing, make sure that you get a sharp knife to remove the spiky, edges. This is very, very important. Make sure that you are very cautious, when you are doing this, so that you don't hurt yourself. So subscribe to my channel, friends, if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. So friends, as you may be aware, like edges are the most fragile hair on the head. So you have to make sure that you are taking care of your edges, you are moisturizing them, and make sure that you don't do high maintenance hairstyles which wreak havoc on your edges. Make sure that whatever you do with your edges is very gentle. Show love to your edges, friends, because it takes a long time, friends. It takes edges for one to grow back the edges. So this is one of the treatment that I've been using for many years actually, and it has really helped me. So aloe vera is good for hair growth. So the plant aloe has been used for thousands of years ago, since as early as 1750 BC. So there are more than 450 species of aloe vera. So it is a succulent plant that grows in hot and dry climates around the world. So it's beneficial for many skin problems, as well as the skin, hair, for acne, and a lot of benefits, even for healthy benefits. So benefits for hair, like it will strengthen your hair. And aloe has many active ingredients and minerals that can help, strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids and amino acid, and it's rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and E. These play part in healthy hair follicles, and it will also control greasy hair. Aloe vera also has some enzymes that break down fats, and it will help actually to get rid of extra oil, like that is sebum, and it will also help with an itchy scalp, which is called seborrheic dermatitis, which is a common inflammatory skin condition that affects the scalp. It causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. So it's ready. We've put it aside. Now we are coming to our clove. Like, I've shared quite a number of videos on clove, so you can purchase clove from any Indian shop or any spicy shop around the area. Make sure that you ask and look for it. You definitely find it. So clove is an important part of our traditional medicine, even our Veda. So it contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add the growth and strengthen your hair. So it will protect your scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Clove also contains antiseptic and inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps reduce hair fall too. So with the presence of vitamin K in cloves, there is a better blood circulation which stimulates hair to grow. It treats dandruff, flax, and relieves the itch associated with it due to its anti-inflammatory properties. So it also prevents the graying of hair due to its antioxidants. So the compound found in clove helps to promote hair growth. When applied to the roots, it also repairs, strengthens, and adds a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. So clove has powerful antiseptic and fungal properties that can help get your hair grow well. So what I'm going to do now, we are going to put our clove in a mason jar, and we're going to pour in 100 grams of our water. So of course, like I've shared different kinds of methods on how you can effectively make clove. So I'm going to link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. So subscribe to my channel, friends, and give this video a like. If you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing. So like, in as much as I love sharing, I want my channel to grow to a bigger audience. So my goal is 500 subscribers. So to my 442 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Virtual hugs to you. So that is how it looks like. So you have to let it sit, for at least 5 days or to 7 days, and you see that your clove will be well infused and the color is going to change. So you see, friends, how it changed. Like, I was super excited. So that is how it looks like, friends. So it is well infused, so rich, as you can see. Yes, so rich, like that brown color. All the nutrients have been, dissolved into water. Yes, so comment in the section below, friends, if you have tried out clove, aloe vera, and peppermint for thinning hairline. So we put it aside, and then we are coming to our rosemary. So rosemary is full of nutrients and vitamins that promote hair growth. So a study was done on rosemary and rogaine. So rogaine actually is a treatment which they use for thinning hair. So it was found that rosemary can perform better, just like minoxidil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it in a beaker. You can do direct or whatever your preference is. Yes, because we want to retain more nutrients, so that we have those benefits. So I let it sit on the heat for 15 minutes, and we are ready to strain. So like, it has infused well, and you see like the color has changed to yellow or brownish. So rosemary stimulates hair growth. Not only that, it also prevents hair loss, but it also rejuvenates and strengthens your hair follicles. So using rosemary will also boost blood circulation to the scalp, increasing the supply of nutrients to hair follicles. So the regular use of rosemary will actually promote hair growth. So now our 3 products are ready at this point, and then we have gotten our spray bottle, and we are pouring in our herbs, our final, hairsprays. So of course, for the amounts, I used each like 30 grams. Yes. So that is how it looks like, So we are going to use just a sizable amount, for each ingredient. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and comment in the section below, and make sure that you share this video to groups and to your friends whom you think can benefit, or maybe they're struggling with a thinning hairline, alopecia. All these, herbs used in this hairspray will do wonders, friends. So like, I have researched on these products, like they really work wonders. So I don't just use any product minus doing research. So like, I love researching very much. So comment in the section below, friends, what you've been using for thinning hairline, or maybe you have you're struggling with hair thinning. Comment in the section below. So at this point, you can preserve it. So if you don't have a preservative, you can just store it in the fridge, and it will be able to last for 1 week. Then we can discard it and then make a new batch. But of course, I avoid that because I want my hairspray to last. So I had added a natural preservative. Yes. So like, if you belong on this channel, my the most preservative that I use is UCK 712. Yes, like it's a natural preservative that I love very much, and it has some broad spectrum. So at this point, I'm ready to use it on my edges. So make sure that you spray it on your edges. You can use this spray like twice per week or once per week, depending on how your hair is. Like, hair will always communicate to you. Yes, so just be consistent, friends. And you have to make sure that you exercise some patience. So at this point, I'm going to lather it in, like I do some light massage. So massage comes in very handy. It will promote blood flow to the scalp, hence promoting hair growth. So actually, I've shared about 3 videos on how you can do massage with oil and without oil. I'm going to link them in the description box below. So now I'm getting some clove oil. So like Clove has many vitamins and minerals, and it will promote hair growth, friends, and it's good for androgenic alopecia, male bald patterness, and it's also good for female bald patterness. So I'm going to link the video on how I made this all, friends. Yes, so subscribe to my channel, friends, and give this video a like. Are you going to try it? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.